sure. Here's a 300-word script about the 1990 Kia Rio, although it's worth noting that the Kia Rio was not actually produced until 1999. If you're referring to a different Kia model from 1990 or just want a fictional take on what a 1990 Rio might have been like, I can go that route too. Here's a fictionalized version, imagining a 1990 Kia Rio as if it existed back then. Script: 1990 Kia Rio, a retro vision. Opening scene: a grainy VHS-style footage of a sleek compact car cruising through a sunlit city street. Narrator: VO. In an era of mixed-ups, neon windbreakers, and cassette players, Kia introduced a compact contender ahead of its time. Meet the 1990 Kia Rio. Cut to close-up shots of the car's exterior, a boxy but clean lines, chrome detailing, 14-inch wheels. Narrator: VO. It wasn't flashy, it wasn't loud, but it was reliable, efficient, and surprisingly fun to drive. Interior shots: analog dials, a cassette deck, cloth seats. Narrator: VO. Under the hood, a modest 1.5-liter engine delivered just enough punch for city cruising, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission that made every drive engaging. Cut to family loading groceries, a student parallel parking, a young couple heading on a road trip. Narrator: VO. The Rio didn't try to be a sports car. It didn't need to. It was about simple, honest transportation, affordable and built to last. Cut to odometer ticking past 200,000 miles. Narrator: VO. And last, it did, for those who owned one. The 1990 Rio wasn't just a car, it was the beginning of Kia's quiet revolution, a proof that great things start small. Final shot: and the car drives into a sunset. Synth music swells. Narrator: VO. The 1990 Kia Rio, a classic that never was a broken bar but maybe should have been. End screen. Kia, a movement that inspires. Want a factual script based on a real Kia from 1990 like the Kia Pride?